Home computers and consoles were limited by their 8-bit architecture, particularly by the amount of memory that could be directly addressed by the CPU. Most had the amount of directly accessible memory to 64 kilobytes. Many applications, especially games and more complex software, required more memory than was provided by default. To overcome these limitations, several techniques were developed. If available, we could use the so-called direct memory access, DMA. DMA freed the CPU from repetitive tasks, such as transferring large blocks of data, improving overall system performance. The ugBASIC language causes graphics and other resources to be loaded into the OREU and used for DMA, if you are working with the Commodore 64. Another way is to divide the memory into banks, each of which could be mapped to different areas of the memory address. Using special circuitry, the programmer could swap the memory banks, making larger portions of the memory accessible. The software was responsible for managing the swapping of memory banks, providing transparent access to the memory. Again, it is ugBASIC that takes care of everything, making life easier for the programmer and, at the same time, expanding the possibilities of the games, at least on hardware that supports expansions. Let's look at this demonstration program for example. This program simply loads a series of Atlas directly into the memory of the Commodore 64's REU. Once the loading is complete, it will draw, one after the other, the animation frames on the screen, looping when it is finished, so as to give the illusion of an endless animation.